Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a very special car. It's a one-off 1966 Alfa, built on a donor car. I got Jeff here who's going to tell us a little bit about it. What are you doing today, Jeff?
This is a one-off car made by a guy in St. Louis. All aluminum, hand-built. Took him 2 years to build the car.
Wow.
It's a donor car because it's a 1966 Alfa engine and transmission. The car is perfect in every way. It's a replica of a very expensive Maserati. It has Ferrari overtones to it.
It really does.
The closest car to this is a $7 million Maserati.
I can't get over how beautiful it is.
And the car runs like a charm. Starts right up.
All hand-bent aluminum. Probably took, what, 2 years to just do the body, right?
Yep.
Wow.
We redid the interior. We updated the car, all done at Automat, and here it is. Everybody loves it when they see it.
Well, how could you not?
Putting it up for grabs.
Cool. It's up for grabs, guys. One off, hand-built, coach-built, all aluminum car. Put a sensor up front, too, on the nose, so it beeps if you're getting close. Love the wire wheels, Jeff.
Bluetooth, wireless.
Bluetooth sound system.
No radio, it's hidden.
The whole car is dynamated. It's got a real nice heavy feel to it. Very reliable. Love the interior. A lot of room for a big guy too, huh?
We did the interior last year.
Nardi wheel.
Yes, Nardi steering wheel.
It's a 4-speed box or 5-speed?
5-speed.
5-speed box. I think it's 16,000 miles on the restoration. Classic instruments gauges. Absolutely awesome. Is this the pull for the hood?
Yes.
Look at that, so pretty. It's a big 6.
Maintained impeccably.
Dual master cylinders.
Wildwood brakes.
Oh, got disc brakes all the way around?
All the way around.
Cool. Love the carburetor setup, so cool. So it's a little bit of old and a little bit of new.
Yes.
Can't go wrong with that. Let's fire it up.
Okay. Pull that hard.
Trunk is finished as well.
You got it.
Beautifully done. I like how the trunk lid matches the bonnet.
Yeah, with the diamond and the red stitching.
Yeah, very Ferrari.
It is very Ferrari. This
cool.
takes the best of all, the Pininfarina,
Yeah.
Ferrari, Maserati.
I like how it's all tubular and everything. Very well built.
Oh yeah. And we
Gorgeous.
have the access if you need to the gas tank. Everything is done.
Oh, cool. So you got an aluminum gas tank.
Aluminum gas tank. Everything in this car is basically aluminum.
Okay.
All the state of the art and done right. It's all suede.
Alcantara, yeah. Let's fire it up.
Okay, let's go. Gotta step in, drop down.
Wow, great sound. Jeez. It looks the part and sounds the part, Jeff. Thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call, 631-339-0399.